What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So I think done with my errands. It's nice to ride a small bike around sometimes, you know. You don't need to carry a lot of stuff. I can go out that way. Go out that way. Take a look at these cars. I got some power steering fluid for the Jeep. I still have the Jeep. I love that thing. Look at these Challengers. I like them. I don't think I'll like buy one, you know. Yeah, they look good though, but I don't think I'll buy one. Hopefully this did I forget? No. Hopefully this video doesn't sound too bad because it's really windy again. I don't know why my setup is all messed up since I switched to the GoPro Hero 8. I think because I switched microphones, I switched just the setup. It's kind of annoying how I used to have really good audio. Just my audio is just all messed up now. So anyway, this video, what am I shooting this video for? So this video is really just to I want to talk about, I guess, what my plans are for this bike in the short term. Oh, this is a nice street. Like in the short term, like I mentioned on the previous video, that I do want to pretty much do almost the same kind of mods that I did on my 2018. But I'm kind of spacing it out this time around. The bike runs really nice, not ultimately nice, but it's good. So it's a good bike right now. So you don't need the mods to make it like a, you know, it's a good as is. It's just it makes it even better with the mods. Let's see. I kind of want to go to that side, see if we can do a U-turn. Yeah, so I was thinking I was gonna do the protective mods, the radiator protector and the guards and stuff like that, and you know, fender eliminator, things like that. I'm just gonna do all of those except the air box. Oop, can't U-turn here. Except the air box. Ooh, let's go here. Airbox and exhaust is what I'm gonna basically delay in doing. Wow, look at this park. Aquatic Center. Yeah, so essentially just delaying that because I kind of want to ride it as is and see how it actually does on track. But the suspension on this, it does feel so wonky. Like it just feels very unsure of itself. I guess it's very soft. Very tall suspension. It feels very tall in the front. So I always had this kind of I don't know if this light will turn for me. We'll see. Will it? Will it turn? No, it's not turning. No, it's not gonna turn for me. But the suspension has always been a little bit uncertain about on this bike, so I'm thinking about I'm thinking to actually upgrade the suspension on this time around. There's only so much you could do with the settings, but I think you can only adjust damping on the front. And the rear, you can do some settings, but it's just not as what do you call this, extensive as a kind of all-ins or something like that, or because WP has the Pro suspension where it has more settings. I just don't know if Dave. I'll take it to Dave Moss and see what he could do. I know he kind of adjusted it sometime last time for me on my 2018, but I can't remember if it was satisfactory. I know the forks is very limited in what it could do. I don't even. No, you cannot adjust the rebound on this, I don't think. Just the damping. Yeah, I don't know. I actually don't know. I don't know anything about suspension, but I know this doesn't feel all that good compared to a nice one. So I might drop in a cartridge kit on this if there is one. I can find one. There's that. And in terms of the power mods, I'm thinking I'll do the flash. I actually want to do the flash, so I'm gonna do a stage 2 Rottweiler intake. So it's just gonna be the intake system plus 2 stacks. So that's what it's gonna be. What is that over there? It looks kind of nice. Let's go straight then. All these new construction going on. Yeah, so I'm just gonna do the 2 stacks, the intake kit, basically just the intake. And then I'm gonna do a full exhaust system, and then I'm gonna do a flash. So I'm not gonna do a power commander this time around. I want to see how the flash does. I know the flash is better overall because you can tweak more parameters, not just fuel. So there's that. I want to see what the difference is. I can still remember how my Super Duke ran before, and I have no complaints about that. It ran really, really good. So, and they say the flash is even better. So can't wait. I mean, I'm really trying really hard to delay modifying this bike, because like right now it just sounds so tame. It has power, like it will go. It just you know, it's just look at this long straight road to nothing. Yeah, so there's that. That's just the plans. So far it's really nice to have a bike that you could ride and it's not burning your legs. It's like it's so comfortable. I'm sitting upright. I just it's such a nice everyday bike. Like it could be your only bike, honestly. But you know, when you go on the freeway, you feel that wind, and it's like it's kind of annoying when you're going fast, because this bike will go fast. It'll go 100 plus miles per hour, 130, 150, even 160 if you wanted to. But it's just about you. Can you handle the wind pushing you back? So you just gotta go tuck in, like really, really, really tuck. So look at all these new developments. Alright, well, ooh, looks like it's a dead end. What is this place? Exploring time. Yeah, I think naked bike is the way to go, you know. It is the way to go. Oh, it could be a school. I think it's a school. Yeah, it's a school. Anyway, that's all. I just kind of want to check in with you guys. It's kind of hard to make a video of a bike that you already made a video of. But I did not do an extensive kind of comprehensive, that's the word, comprehensive. I didn't do a comprehensive install video of me doing the mods. So this time around I might do that, and I should do that. So it's kind of new. Take you along with the process of installing the Rottweiler intake. It's not hard. It's daunting at first, but it's not hard. It's you just remove the tank, and removing the tank is a little, it's not tricky, just a couple wires and tubing you have to remove, but in general you have to learn how to do that anyway if you have this bike, because you have to service the airbox and stuff. So there's that wind. I don't know if that red, it turns red really like so much sooner. I think that's just it's not restricted, it's just visually restricted. It's just telling you to not do that. It's not really restricted. Not like a BMW S1000 where it's that it cuts off at 9,000 RPM. It's just telling you to not do that because this bike is still brand new. Like it turns red at 6,000 or 7,000 or something. Let's get out of here. Alright, you guys. Pretty boring video. Sorry about that. I think I had something in mind that I wanted to talk to, but I didn't. Something in mind I wanted to talk about, but I couldn't remember off the top of my head. But I think that was it. I wanted to touch base. Like, I didn't want to make like a grand video about my plans on modding because it's not really substantial. Like, I know I did this bike already. I can't wait to I can't wait to track it for sure, because I want to know what it feels stock. Right, just that suspension. I tried to take it on a couple turns already, and it's just a little uncertain, kind of scary actually. So kind of pogoing a little bit, like pogoing a little bit. It's not planted. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.